Morning, YouTubers. Got a little Barlow here today. It's a Sabre, made in Japan. These are actually made in 5 different countries. This one's Japan now. Pretty well made. These Japan ones are anyway. USA too. Saw cut Durham handles look like. Eh, 5 3/4 overall. A little under 3, about 2 3/4. Well, has a little rust on it. It's carbon steel. This was probably made back in the 60s, I'd guess. Used to carry them when I was a kid. Legal to carry them then. School on. Well, folks, have a super good weekend. Stay warm, stay dry. God bless you, and please subscribe. Thank you, thank you.